This is Saul from Green Wheels Automotive, here to talk to you about our simple breakdown of a 1996 Cobra Mustang rear braking system for our 1993 Coyote Illuminator swap we're building. Stay tuned and check it out. Move this hose first. This is the brake line. So 10mm bolt. Comes out fairly easy. You gotta make sure you keep the copper washer, both ends, top and bottom. Next thing, I'm gonna remove the bleeder screw. What we got right now, after this, we're gonna take off the inside cylinder piston here. Catch it. They sometimes put a plate back here. So basically, once that comes out, we got this out the way, and then let's retake the bleeder screw off. We won't need this anymore. Next thing I did, I'm going to compress this, keep it nice and tight, and use a zip tie to just keep it a little bit more tied down together, so I have a lot less trouble when I go to reinstall it. Remove the screw here. There we have it. The integrated parking screw, retaining lock spring, lock ring, retainer, and a spring. And now the front will come out together, and then the rear parking brake assembly removes. Completely taken apart. Be sure to remove the ring here. There's a seal. Can't let that get cooked in the powder coating. And that's your basic breakdown. So by the time you're done, you should have something that looks a lot like this. Once we have it like this, it's ready to powder coat.